This How to 1 Minute will show you how to use a soundboard on Discord. So first of all, download Voicemod Soundboard. Open your browser and type Voicemod download for PC. And open the first URL. Click on Try It Now. And then you have to create an account. So create account here and then download the Voicemod from here and install it on your computer. Then open the Voicemod software. And from here you can change your voice. You'll get some paid and free voice effects here. And make sure to run the Voicemod in your computer and open your Discord and click on user settings. Scroll down to the left hand side and click on voice and video. Input device. Select Voicemod virtual audio device. Click on output device and select here your headphone. And echo cancellation, disable this option. Noise suppression, select standard. Automatic gain control, disable this option from here. And that's how you'll be able to use a soundboard on Discord. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.